We want to establish the identity 1 minus sine v over cosine v plus cosine v over 1 minus sine v equals 2 secant v. Pretty clear that the left-hand side of the equation is the more complicated, so we're going to manipulate it. We have 1 minus sine v over cosine v plus cosine v over 1 minus sine v. What we want to do is add these two expressions, which is going to require us to find a common denominator. The common denominator is cosine v times 1 minus sine v. So I'm going to multiply the first expression by 1 minus sine v over 1 minus sine v. I get 1 minus sine v over cosine v times 1 minus sine v over 1 minus sine v. So I'm just multiplying by 1. Plus cosine v over 1 minus sine v. And here I need to multiply the numerator and denominator by cosine v. What I'm going to do now is multiply these expressions. In the numerator, I have 1 minus sine v times 1 minus sine v, which is going to be 1 squared, or 1, minus 2 sine v plus sine squared v. In other words, we FOIL that. And that's going to be over cosine v times 1 minus sine v. Plus, multiply here, I get cosine v times cosine v, which is cosine squared v, over the same denominator, cosine v, 1 minus sine v. Now that I have the same denominator, I can go ahead and add the numerators. Notice that I'm going to have sine squared v plus cosine squared v in the numerator. Sine squared v plus cosine squared v is equal to 1, so now I have 1 minus 2 sine v plus 1 over cosine v 1 minus sine v. I'm going to rewrite this for you so that you don't lose your train of thought. We had in the last slide that we have 1 minus 2 sine v plus 1 over cosine v 1 minus sine v. Well, remember, we're trying to get this to equal 2 secant v. Well, 1 plus 1, of course, is 2. So I have 2 minus 2 sine v over cosine v 1 minus sine v. Factor out a 2. I get 2 times 1 minus sine v over cosine v 1 minus sine v. The 1 minus sine v's divide out, and I'm left with 2 over cosine v. Well, 1 over cosine v is secant v, so now I have 2 secant v, and that's what I wanted the right-hand side to equal. So if I go back to my original equation, we've shown that this side is equivalent to 2 secant v, so we've established this identity.